And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
So Renee just kind of touched on how we want to forget about last week. I went and looked back. The warmest temperature of last Monday, so a week ago today, was 18 degrees. Now that's still colder than the coldest we were today. And that was at about 1, 2 in the morning. And then I looked back and I remembered, yeah, last Monday we got to negative 16 in Colorado Springs, and it was way colder in parts of northeast Colorado. Now today we have a forecast high in the Springs of the 50s. So the good and the bad, we've had both within a 7-day stretch, but the good's been pretty awesome the last few days, and today is no different. And now it's lunchtime. If you had the chance and can go support somebody eating outside downtown, I think all the businesses would love it. Springs, Pueblo, keep in mind in Pueblo, a slop or something heavy that's not going to blow away because it is windy outside, but that's helped propel us to the 60s. And hey, little bit of snow hanging onto the shadowed areas there at the Riverwalk, but I mean, that's about it. That air temperature's melting things down. It's pretty warm in Canyon City, and that's again where a lot of that wind is funneled out. So La Junta's doing well. Your Springfield is almost at 60. We're in the 40s from Walsenburg, Trinidad, kind of lagging about where Springs is at. And if you're wondering where all this wind is at, well, there's a high pressure area spinning over to the west, a low pressure area up back in the polar area, and we are seeing that wind travel across the Rockies. The stronger stuff is up to the north and west, but we're still getting that good downsloping flow right off of the mountains, and it's giving us that warmer boost. So as good as today looks, tomorrow actually looks a few degrees warmer, or for Pueblo, basically about what will hit today. The only thing about tomorrow is a cold front is expected to come in out of the north, I would say between about 3 to 5 o'clock. So somewhere in the mid-afternoon to the end of the day. We'll probably be able to hit our high temperatures before the cold air hits, but it would cool Denver down first a little bit before the rest of the Springs Pueblo area does. Now the problem with that front is it is going to bring the potential for some freezing drizzle in El Paso County and Fremont County. Pueblo County looks okay. Now, Pueblo County is probably going to have fog, but maybe not enough saturation for freezing drizzle. That's the thing we're watching for Wednesday morning. But Wednesday night is snow. Snow through 10 o'clock, and then really hits us between 10 o'clock Wednesday night through 5 in the morning Thursday. So think for snow this week, Thursday. Think freezing drizzle Wednesday morning, because more of an impact here on Thursday morning. How much are we going to get? This is kind of an early Hail Mary look, but this is how much we're seeing right now. Kind of a 2 to 4 inch look in the Springs, a little bit more Teller County, 3 to 5 inches. Kind of has that 1 to 3 look in the Pueblo area. So how much are we going to get as far as, or how's the 7-day going to go? Excuse me. Well, we know we get warmer tomorrow. We get that cold front Tuesday night, which remember, Wednesday morning, freezing drizzle possible, or at least fog. And we've got snow through Thursday morning. And so I think that Thursday commute looks pretty nasty. Pueblo, 1 to 3 inches, even if we get an inch through Thursday morning. That's not good. That's not a good thing to drive on because the roads will be cold, and we'll get a little better by Friday. Going over to Canyon City, it's a 2 on that storm impact scale on Wednesday for that freezing fog potential in the morning, mostly out east. We've got snow Wednesday night through Thursday, so obviously that could challenge the roads. And Woodland Park, we're in the 30s until we get over towards, next week we'll try to warm up Saturday, but hey, the snow is the big story Wednesday into Thursday. Renee?